Let's consider two things in this video. How is team building commonly practiced by companies, and what is team building supposed to be? We'll answer the first question first. How do companies generally organize team building? To find out, let's just Google. We're going to go to Google Images, type in team building activities. Aha, I see. Team building is all these fun outdoor or indoor games. I mean, they're easy to organize. You can hire a team building facilitator. They're going to come in and make your staff play games. Or you can rent a venue somewhere, either outdoor or indoor. Plenty of activities, plenty of options, as these Google Images and many YouTube videos show. And this is how companies generally organize their team building events or team outing days. But is this what team building is supposed to be? Let's take a look at how human resource management literature and empirical research literature define team building. Team building interventions, also sometimes referred to as team development interventions or team training interventions, are high-interaction activities designed to enable work teams to better achieve results, meet team goals, and accomplish work tasks. According to Robinson Judge, Greenberg and Barron, Salas et al., and Klein et al., team building should focus on four main components. Role clarification. Team members discuss and analyze their own roles and the roles of others in order for discrepancies and disagreements in perceptions to be addressed and solved. Goal setting. Team members clarify the various goals towards which they are working and identify ways to achieve them. Problem solving. Team members systematically identify and discuss ways of solving task-related or process-related work issues. Interpersonal relations. Interactive, group-based activities or interventions designed to build trust, encourage open communication, and increase team cohesion. Just by looking at these definitions, we can already tell that these Google Images are probably not really team building, at least not in its complete form. So, in conclusion, there appears to be quite a gap between what team building interventions are supposed to be and how they are actually organized by companies in practice. In upcoming videos, we'll look at more detailed typologies of team building activities, the various effects of team building interventions, employees' perspective on team building, and I might also make a video about how team building is done in China. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.